Let me ask you something real. How many online business opportunities have you looked at, felt excited about, and then walked away from because something just didn't feel right? I've been there. After a while, everything starts to sound the same. Big promises, fast money claims, and people who disappear once you join. That's exactly why I want to share my honest experience with the Home Business Academy. No hype, no exaggeration. Just what it is, how it works, and who it's really for. I use the Home Business Academy every single day. I even used it to help create the blog post this video is based on. So what is it? At its core, HBA helps everyday people build residual income from home. Income that continues month after month, not just from one-time sales. But what really stood out to me wasn't just the income, it was the stability. HBA has been around for 10 years. Same founders, same compensation plan, no sudden changes or shady pivots. In this industry, that matters more than most people realize. Now let's talk about the products, because this is where I was genuinely surprised. First is the Let's Goal app, only $10 a month. It includes goal setting, vision boards, habit tracking, journaling, and even nutrition tracking. And your family can use it too. My spouse and I both use it daily, and it's helped us stay aligned in life and business. Next is the HBA Funnel Builder at $25 a month. You get drag-and-drop funnels, unlimited pages, custom domains, built-in AI chat, and ready-made templates, without paying $97 or more like most platforms. Then there's HBA Premium, which includes advanced training, AI content creation, daily live coaching calls, and team messaging so you're never building alone. And if you're just getting started, there's the Triple Residuals Starter Pack. For $35 one time, you get the core tools plus a 2-week trial of Premium, and you can start earning commissions immediately. Now here's why people choose HBA. First, the commissions. HBA pays 80% commissions from day one. No waiting, no rank requirements, and it's residual. You profit with just 2 referrals. Everything after that is income. Second, the company is built on stability, not hype. 10 years in business, active founders, daily live calls, and a real community. Third, the products actually keep customers. This matters more than people think. The tools are useful, modern, and designed for real life and real businesses. When customers stay, your income stays. And there are no games, no quotas, no hidden rules, no fine print. HBA is transparent, FTC compliant, and honest about the effort required. They've also provided over 400,000 days of meals to children, which says a lot about the company behind the platform. So who is this for? It's for people who want a real business from home. Affiliate marketers tired of chasing shiny objects, small business owners who need affordable tools, and families who want to build something together. This is not get rich quick, but if you want real tools, real support, and real residual income, it's worth a serious look. If you want the full breakdown, pricing, and my complete experience, I put everything together in a detailed blog post. Click the link in the description and read the full Home Business Academy review. No pressure, just real information so you can decide for yourself. Thanks for watching.